Hey guys, all right, we're coming up to a crossroad now, and I've always tell my students don't approach too fast because things like this can happen where it's a green light, we have full right of way, and this guy has just come right in front of us. Mistakes happen, but they can be avoided as long as you're not coming into junctions really fast. So I've replayed it again. Have a look. The driver maybe thinks we're going to slip road on the left, but we haven't signaled, so that's just an error on their behalf. So be mindful. Sometimes it is dead clear. Just don't whip into or go fast into junctions, because you could be 100% right and someone could just be 10% wrong, and then it goes drastically wrong. So student did well to react. I think I reacted as well. Can't remember, but. Yeah, if also there's a yellow box there, and obviously we had to stop because of that vehicle. So if ever any fine or anything comes through whenever you are stopped because it wasn't your fault, then just request request the video footage, and then you can clear your name because your exit was clear at that moment, for example. So yeah, just hope you guys learn from it. Take your time when you go into junctions. Don't go slow, because obviously they will get enticed to try and take that. But student wasn't slow. But I'm just explaining that you don't want to hit 30 odd miles an hour. All right, so wish you guys all the best, and hope this video helps of the sort of dangers out there on the roads. Good luck.